my name is Ben, and welcome back to the channel. And I am here today at 3105 Normandie, South Normandie Avenue, and today I have come to discuss a few questions. The first question is, how much work do they put into the whole crushing the whole house and then building it, rebuilding it? And how much money do they put in it, and how much effort do they put in it? That's the first question. And the second question is that if at the end, how much trash will there be, including of this big house split into three units? And my third question is, how much will the soil take, the little stairs take, the decorations take, and in all, how much will they take? Those are all my questions. Thank you for listening to my piece.
Sure. Aren't you gonna break the stick?
Oh, stop.
Hello. I'm Austin from Random Channel, and today we're doing building stuff. Yep, that's right. We're building. We have this house that we're gonna use machines to break down, and then we're gonna build it with even better, newer, brand new technology, Wi-Fi house. With that, we're going to make it like an apartment, not really a house. So students from the nearby school could live here. I think it's like a college or a high school, I don't know. But, so, we have some questions here. I'm gonna ask a few questions, and you can find out in the next video. So, first of all, the first question is, how long would the whole thing take? Like a few months? Like just the whole thing? Second question, how much would the whole project cost? So just cost how much? And lastly is about how pause. How big the house will be. Right.